There was once a young man named Ayan. Ayan believed that success was the most important thing in life. Money, status, respect. These were his goals. Health was something he thought about later. He often said to himself, "I am young, I am strong. I will take care of my health after I become successful." Ayan worked long hours every day. He slept late at night. He skipped breakfast. Lunch was fast food. Dinner was irregular. Exercise felt like a waste of time. Rest felt like laziness. At first, everything seemed fine. He was earning money. People praised his hard work. His life looked successful from the outside. But slowly, very slowly, his body started sending warnings. He felt tired even after sleeping. His head hurt almost every day. His stomach felt heavy. His mind never felt calm. Still, Ayan ignored it all. "Everyone is tired," he said. "This is the price of success." Weeks passed, then months. One morning, while walking to work, Ayan suddenly felt dizzy. The road blurred, sounds faded, his legs became weak, and then everything went dark. When Ayan opened his eyes, he was lying on a hospital bed. White walls, beeping machines, a strange silence. Fear entered his heart for the first time. The doctor looked at him seriously and said, "Your body is exhausted." He continued, "Too much stress, poor food, no rest, no exercise." Ayan asked softly, "Doctor, will I be okay?" The doctor paused and replied, "You will recover, but only if you change your life." Then he said something Ayan would never forget. "Without health, success has no meaning." Those words felt heavy. Lying on that bed, Ayan looked around. Young people, old people, rich people, poor people. In that hospital, money did not matter. Only health mattered. That day, Ayan realized a painful truth. He had chased success so hard that he forgot the body carrying him there. After leaving the hospital, Ayan decided to change. Not overnight, not perfectly, but honestly. He started waking up a little earlier. He drank more water. He ate simple food. He went for short walks. At first, it felt boring. His mind said, "You are wasting time." But his body said, "Thank you." Slowly, changes appeared. His energy returned. His sleep improved. His mind became calmer. Something surprising happened. When his health improved, his work improved too. He could focus longer. He made better decisions. He felt happier without any reason. One morning, while walking in a park, Ayan saw an old man exercising slowly. The man smiled and said, "Son, remember this. Health is not everything, but without health, everything becomes nothing." That sentence stayed in Ayan's heart. Ayan understood that health is not only about the body. Health is also about the mind. A stressed mind slowly destroys the body. A tired body slowly weakens the mind. Health means balance. Enough rest, simple food, movement, peace. Money can buy comfort, but money cannot buy a healthy body. Success can bring pride, but success cannot replace peace. Ayan started sharing his story with others. He told them, "Don't wait for illness to teach you the value of health. Take care of it now." Because the truth is simple. You can rebuild money. You can restart a career. But damaged health takes years to recover. Sometimes it never fully returns. So if you are young, protect your health. If you are busy, protect your health. If you are chasing dreams, protect your health. Your body is your first home. Your health is your first wealth. Without it, every dream becomes heavy. Every success feels empty. Take care of yourself, because your future depends on it.